Y'all, welcome to MarineMax, Sarasota, Florida. We are going to take a moment today into our brand new 2023 Azimut 72 Fly. I'm Jeremiah Long and would like to welcome you aboard this vessel. Again, everyone, I'm Jeremiah Long and we're standing at MarineMax, Sarasota on the back of our Azimut 72 Fly. Guys, there's much more detail here than we could ever hope to cover. And with Azimut, it always will be detail, like the swim platform we're standing on board. This is capable of around 1,000-pound tender, as well as 12 to 13 feet. But what you have here is an integrated ladder, as well as wonderful access to the cockpit, crew quarters on the port side, and a wonderful storage compartment on the starboard side, even capable of things like sea bobs and others with outlets in there you can charge them. Coming up the starboard side of the bow, this is going to bring us into one of the best cockpits in this class. Again, this is a 72-foot Flybridge, and space and detail abound everywhere. There's more than I can touch on, but let's go to the centerpiece. This, as much as this looks like stone, is in fact synthetic. This is a product built specific for our Azimuts. And if you have a wonderful night that draws you away, perhaps down below, you leave a glass of red wine sitting right here. All it takes is your favorite cleaner, a paper towel, disappear like that. Another detail on the rear of this. This boat has been upgraded. This is our Betaline fabric, made in France for Azimut. That's a soap and water wash down fabric, even though it looks like something woven. You have a full wet bar outside. That's going to include both a refrigerator on this option, as well as some storage for utensils, and really a great trash and recycle area. One of the things to note versus earlier boats, your subwoofer, your part of your AV system, has moved here to the back. You have access for down below and so much more. While we're on the teak, let's stay there and let's head forward. As we're passing by, I want to point out a very small detail that has a very big impact. The mans on this boat are capable of joystick control. This is what we call a wing control. It makes docking very easy. You have bow thruster control, as well as the ability to hold the boat in position and use that just like a traditional joystick. That is a component to this boat that's game-changing. You can see as we're walking the gunnel sides of this boat that it is incredibly open and airy. And I'll touch on this later, but this gives you access from the helm. The bow rails all the way throughout are tall, solid, easy to grab at a moment's notice. Storage here forward, holding lines, fenders, anything you might need on the front of the boat, and you can need a lot up here. This is an incredible relaxing space. On the 72, we split both a couch to give you a place for maybe an evening settee, drinks, possibly even dinner underneath the sunset, but without removing all of your lounging spaces forward. There's plenty of rooms for cups, for drinks, and these guests can hang out undisturbed while you access the front of the boat. That means if captain or crew are tying it off, you have tow controls for your windlass if you're just taking a charter, taking friends and family to the sandbar. The front of this boat is incredibly well thought out and very useful. And you get much the same story as we continue on down. You have more storage here, a bimini we haven't displayed yet today, and a wonderful wide open gunnel. This boat is also optioned with yacht shades. For the time that you're at anchor, all these snaps represent the shades that you'd expect to find here to give you not only privacy, but also just a little bit more cool into the salon that we're headed into. This door, built by, or for Azimut rather, is a wonderful piece of stainless and crystal glass. There is so much heft and weight, part of what gives it its category rating for open ocean, which this boat is unquestionably capable of. Step into the salon and you're going to find one of the most wonderful spaces in this size. You can see these beautiful couches. They're as much a statement piece as they are the comfort. And that is the type of detail we'll find throughout this boat. From recessed lighting, the LEDs that are over our heads, or the contrast and detail they put effort in. This is a matte oak on this hull number. And here, hiding away for our glasses and our bottle service, is actually a full glass mahogany. Guys, those details at first might not go together, but when you see them in the setting, you'll recognize right away that so much thought is given to each and every little bit. This is a 55-inch TV hiding below here. And why do we hide it? That's why. Because this boat is going to find you and your family and friends in the Bahamas, in the Caribbean, all over, as well as possibly the Mediterranean, South America, Panama, even the west coast of the US. This is going to find a comfortable space for you and everyone with you. You have your formal dining here on the starboard side of the boat, directly across from the galley. And the galley on an Azimut is always going to be wonderful. It doesn't matter if we're discussing the full-size fridge or the Miele appliances that you will always find in these US spec boats, or the oak floor that we're walking on. You see, the factory base spec for this boat would be carpet. But here in the North American side of our world, when we order these, we do the very, very best that we can to bring them to a class that we know our clients are going to like. Here on the starboard side, you'll find your second helm. You have wonderful Raymarine screens here at the dash, give you an incredible suite of data for all your electronics. And you have individual screens that will give you capability for your man engines, your autopilot, and more. And of course, this boat is going to feature a ton of on-screen data about all that's going on below the decks, whether it be your power consumption, your water levels, and more. Across from the pilot is a wonderful spot for a breakfast nook, for folks to relax while you're underway and cruising, so much more. There's storage everywhere as well. Even this dash panel here has got storage tucked away in it that gives you just spaces for every little bit that comes on board. Down below, we're going to step into a huge portion of why you take this boat. There is a fantastic layout, not to mention a very large VIP forward in this boat. This is an island bed, gives you wonderful access from both sides, a hanging locker on the port, storage all above, as well as accent lighting. And one of the unique parts, this has an ensuite head. As challenging as it is to see on camera, it actually is a wonderful, wonderful place to get ready, whether it's dinner or just simply to cool down from a day on the sandbar. Here on the port side, actually my right, is going to be your day head. This is both shared access with one of the cabins, as well as for all your guests that are on board. Watch your stair behind you. That is the second of your VIP cabins there, and two of the four that will be on board this boat. I'll let the camera tuck in ahead of me. This is our twin cabin, cabin number 3. Whether it's children, extra guests, or possibly crew for a long trip, that's the cabin they're going to occupy. And it stays well away from the owner's suite down below. This is one of the most illustrious spaces on this boat, and you've seen various details of Azimuts grow over the years. One of them I can't help but point out is these beautiful windows. We've been able to gain so much space as technology's increased and given us a solid window that we can count on down here close to the water. In addition to that, you're going to see a wonderful area for coffee, or for those who are looking to do their makeup. And you're going to find yourself headed towards an incredible ensuite head. Dual vanities, a delightful shower area, and significantly more truly sets that ensuite head apart from many others. Of course, detail lighting throughout this entire area, a beautiful audiovisual system hidden behind a full height mirror, hanging lockers, and so much more abound. There is a lot more detail we can't cover in this video, but let's go hit one more incredible space on this boat before we go. When we open this waterproof hatch, you're coming on board one of the most impressive flybridges in this entire world. Starting from the very rear, and one of the updates for the 2022 model line, this rail with the glass along the rear, because we know this is one of the most prolific spots for relaxing on board this boat. You're going to find more of that synthetic stone, beautiful, durable. You're going to find more of that Betaline fabric covering all the seating here. This is an incredible place for evening dinners. Much of this boat's cruising range is going to put you in some of the prettiest water, weather, and areas in, well, much of the Western Hemisphere. And that is an incredible place to take dinner. You're fully supported by a substantial wet bar that includes a grill, storage, ice maker, and a refrigerator here. This bridge is fully supported for everyone on top. And in addition to that, the owner or the captain has a full suite of controls here that include MFDs for all your GPS and sonar, your joystick, thrusters, throttles, autopilot, stereo, and so much more. The Flybridge on this Azimut 72 is an absolute sight to behold for both you, your family, your guests, and the generations to follow. Y'all, I'm Jeremiah Long, and this is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. If you'd like to know more about this Azimut or any others, please reach out to a specialist like me, and we'd love to fill you in on the detail. If you'd like this one to cruise this year, give us a call.